Hi everyone. So today I'm going to explore a whiteboard system. So for that I have chosen Miro, which I have seen many people using. So I thought of trying this out. I created a few whiteboards. As of now, I have taken the free version. With upgrade, we can have further options, but let us see what the free one offers us. So once we install and log in, then we see this screen where it tells us what we want to explore. So we have options like we can choose formats like diagram, table, timeline. We can have templates. There are multiple templates: product brainstorming, mind map. We have for research and design, strategy planning, agile workflows. So ranging from core management works to development, agile, presentation making, the innovation related image creation, and many more. You can explore as per your need. What I was interested in was a free flowing uh, option which we get using this pen. So we have pen, highlighter, smart drawing. So we can just see if okay, this will give us options, but okay. uh, Not able to raise it. Anyways, so what I wanted to check was uh, to make a plan, and then so maybe we want to write a code, so we can make a plan first and then we can write the code. So maybe we have a organization where we want to classify employees based on the input. Like if there is a manager or supervisor, we can club in one category. Then we have the C class people, CEOs, directors, they would go in another bracket, and so on. So maybe you can write the logic here. Okay, I would just take a pen. Class, I'm not too much experienced with this, but super slash. So maybe once we get more used to, uh, then C class. So what we have? Okay, maybe we can just put this. So all those at the top position come in another class. Then executives like engineers, interns, they can go in another. So maybe you can do it using an if, and then else. Well, maybe you can work upon more. We have other colors also. If then else, or if live else. So the logic goes here, and we can use other formats also. We have options like shapes and lines, so we can make this shape. Then we have the block arrow, the triangle, so we can do these forms. Then we have the stickers also. You can explore a lot of options, and then there are integrations also. You can have a sticky note, like here you can write make. There are a lot of integrations. Maybe another sticky note in another color. So let's explore a template also. Maybe for myself, I need an wireframing. Okay. So, well, we need to explore it. Not much familiar with it. Okay, for this we need an upgrade. Let me see if I can find something else. So, if we need a kind of timeline, so I started this on 7th of June at 3:16. Maybe next iteration be tomorrow. Okay, so here is the Python program which we wrote. So we define a classifier. This is based on what we decided here. Okay, they go in a one category, then the C class ones, and then the normal employees. Let us see what we have written. So it's a simple loop. Maybe we can, for a further refinement, we can go for an array or other data structure if there is a big list, or we can have a CSV file as input as well. So if the rank is in manager, supervisor, etc., we classify it as SMM, so supervisor or managerial role. Then if rank is in these category, then we print something and return this tag, and so for the C level positions, then we just give a call. So this is just a something that we made on the whiteboard. So this is the main purpose, like we write pseudocode or something on the whiteboard and in a graphical way, so that it is we can explain ourselves. Of course, I'm not much, I have not practiced much with this, but you can try out your own. There are lots of options. I like this pen sticky note lot. Templates, I think many of these might be related to upgraded version. So if this calls for some, so of course we need to explore it. And frankly, I'm not much familiar with it. Be once I explore some more options. Okay, so this was about the Miro whiteboard. If you have explored some other, you can share your experiences with me. And we again have we can use it like Teams or other software. We can present to the to other people. Okay, as of now, I think this should suffice. Let me just end.